Looking to start a profitable venture in the manufacturing industry? With countless opportunities out there, choosing the right business idea can feel overwhelming. To help you get started, here are 20 innovative manufacturing business ideas to consider in 2025. Number 1. Customized eco-friendly packaging. Create biodegradable and compostable packaging solutions for the retail and food industries. Number 2. 3D printed home decor design and sell 3D printed items like vases, lamps, and sculptures, offering customizable designs. Number 3. Biodegradable utensils. Manufacture eco-friendly cutlery and tableware using bamboo, cornstarch, or coconut shells. Number 4. Smart home gadgets. Develop IoT devices like automated curtains and smart light controllers to make homes smarter. Number 5. Organic paint production. Produce natural, chemical-free paints for residential and commercial use. Number 6. Smart agriculture equipment. Create automated farming tools and smart irrigation systems to revolutionize agriculture. Number 7. Recycled paper products. Produce stationery and office supplies using 100% recycled paper. Number 8. Luxury pet accessories. Manufacture stylish and premium quality pet collars, leashes, and clothing. Number 9. Educational STEM toys. Design science and engineering kits to make learning fun and interactive for kids. Number 10. Compact food processing units. Develop small-scale machines for home-based food preservation and dehydration. Number 11. Wireless charging furniture. Create desks and tables with built-in wireless charging features for added convenience. Number 12. Customized home spa equipment manufacture products like steam rooms, massagers, and aromatherapy devices for at-home relaxation. Number 13. Waterproof sustainable bags design. Durable bags made from recycled plastic, combining functionality with sustainability. Number 14. Recyclable sports equipment manufacture sports gear using sustainable and recyclable materials. Number 15. Modular furniture systems. Create easy-to-assemble modular furniture kits perfect for compact living spaces. Number 16. Electric bike components. Build high-efficiency electric bike parts, including lightweight frames and advanced batteries. Number 17. Vegan leather products. Craft belts, bags, and wallets using plant-based vegan leather alternatives. Number 18. Personalized fitness gear manufacture. Customized workout equipment like yoga mats or dumbbells with personal engravings. Number 19. Portable solar power stations. Develop compact solar panels and power units, ideal for camping or remote work. Number 20. Upcycled fashion accessories. Craft unique bags, belts, and jewelry from upcycled fashion industry waste. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Thanks for watching.